One Piece fans, brace yourselves. After 18 years, the legendary anime is making a huge change. Starting April 6, 2025, One Piece will no longer air on Sunday mornings. Instead, it's moving to a late-night slot at 11:15 p.m. But why now? For nearly 2 decades, One Piece has been a staple of Sunday mornings in Japan, airing at 9:30 a.m. It became a weekly tradition for fans of all ages. But come April, that tradition will change as the anime shifts to a much later time, 11:15 p.m. at night. This is the first time in the show's history that it's airing this late at night. The switch aligns with the start of the much-anticipated Egghead arc, bringing a fresh era for the series. So, why the shift? Fuji TV hasn't given a detailed explanation, but there are a few possible reasons. One theory is that One Piece's tone is evolving. As the story moves into its final saga, themes are getting more mature, and a late-night slot gives creators more flexibility. Another reason could be scheduling strategy. The late-night slot aligns with Weekly Shonen Jump's Monday manga release, and let's not forget that Fuji TV has introduced a new show, To Be Hero X, which will now take One Piece's old 9:30 a.m. slot. This change has sparked mixed reactions among fans. Some love the idea of a late-night One Piece. Others worry about younger fans who may struggle to stay up that late, especially with school on Monday mornings. Could this be the beginning of a new era for One Piece? Does the late-night move hint at a darker, more intense story arc? And could this shift influence how other long-running anime are scheduled in Japan? What do you think? Will this time slot change make One Piece even better, or is it a mistake? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.